We'll start with a basic question. What is a scale? The German word for scale is Tonleiter, or tone ladder. I think that is a nice image for a scale. A scale is like a ladder that ascends and descends in stepwise fashion, where each rung is a pitch. The diatonic scale has three characteristics. 1. It spans the octave, in this case, C to C. 2. It has one and only one representative of each letter name within the octave. Therefore, this tone ladder has exactly 7 rungs, that is, 7 pitches. 3. The scale traverses the octave in steps, diatonic whole steps and half steps only. Remember whole steps and half steps? Let's take a brief detour. On the keyboard, we can plainly see how the tonal space is divided equally into half steps. Every key on the keyboard is a half step from its neighbors. If I play every note white and black, we hear an ascending pattern of half steps. When I play the major scale, I have to skip some of those notes to make whole steps. 2 half steps make 1 whole step. The major scale starting on C makes obvious those whole steps and half steps on the keyboard because in playing only the white keys, we can see and hear where the gaps in the black keys represent half steps. The result of these defining characteristics is a scale of asymmetrical construction. Those half steps are not equally placed in the scale, and this is very important. The diatonic scale embodies dynamism. This dynamism is reinforced at the most elemental level by the scale, specifically those little half steps. We will return to the concept of tonal dynamism many times in more advanced courses. For now, let's develop our musical foundation in a course on scales, keys, and the circle of fifths.